My job is to make new houses look perfect. Take a walk through on the wild side. There's a nice toilet, sink, a grand room, great room, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Kitchen, granite countertops. You'll notice little green tapes. Some places, just little reminders of a couple things that I've left to do. Anyway. Let's go upstairs. Three-bedroom house. Fuck the other 2 bedrooms. Let's go check out master ensuite. Damn, I wish I lived here. There's me again. Hey. Can walk in and shower. Blam. Y'all wanna have a shower with me right now? Nah, just open. The toilet. Nice big window so everybody can see you in the bathroom. Wanna put some curtain on that shit. Oh yeah. Like you need another bathroom right outside your door, but here's another one. So, bam, there's me again. Toilet. So, nobody's living here yet. What do you say we throw a dope ass party in here? Trash the place. Maybe I can get another week or 2 working in here. Another bathroom, bedroom. And it's got a fully finished basement. You could buy this house $440,000. Prices went up. This house originally sold for $288,000. People couldn't get the money to buy it once it closed, so it went back to the builder. We threw some upgrades in it, and it's not $288,000 anymore. That's for sure. And you know, the man cave down here comes with its own bathroom. Like, there's 3 places you can shower in here. Honestly, I'd spend a day just like going from one to the next to see what's up, which one I like the best. But yeah, that's it. Nice neighborhood. All kinds of nice houses out there.